Hello mga silingan, kamusta man mo no? Hinaot unta nga nara mo sa maayong kahimtang. So karon di no ato ipadayon ang ato ang day 2 dito sa among tour dito sa Singapore last May 16 to 19, 2024. So it is my first time sa Singapore. Syempre daghan mi nga first time pod. So karon na mi karon sa gawas sa Gardens by the Bay no, dool ni siya sa Marina Bay Sands ug atbang lang ni siya sa Merlion. So anang udto ha dito mi sa Merlion kani hapon naman ni siya mga alas 3 alas 4 ni sa hapon. Dire padayon mi daghan kay mi nakapula mo mga red warrior dire. Mo ni si Auntie Pepe ang among tour guide no, gi-orient mi niya dito sa yan nakasulod na mi dinhi sa Cloud Forest. Mo ni Cloud Forest nindot kayo na aslay waterfalls pagkataas kayo. So kaning waterfalls kaning Cloud Forest is 6th floor ni siya na ay amo kinahanglan na mo musaka dito sa 6th floor pinaagi sa elevator, tapos from there manaog mi og hinahinay para makita na mo ang kanindot ug ang mga tanom nila nga naa didto sulod sa Cloud Forest. So kadaghanan na sa tanom dahil sa Cloud Forest no kay mga forest, mga puno. Pero napod siya ubang mga tanong, mga Diyos ko, kalisod talaga mag voice over, lisod kay mga kwarta, pero dasig lang. So padayon ta karon no nata dire on the way sa elevator. So tawa mo mga Red Army mo mga kauban. So kanina nami sa pinakataas ani nga time, ayan sugod dami og panaog. So nakita ninyo ang Marina Bay Sands, tindot kaayo mga kauban dito, picture dito. Syempre kung ako makita nga kauban nga walay ga picture, ako picturean kay ko luoy pod kay wala sila memories kay bakle ra man na. So mga kauban diri nga mga gurang-gurang na gamay ato pang picturean kay hadlok man ni sila magpa-picture kay basin dog mahulog ilang cellphone. So kana nang naog na mi gikan dito sa pinakataas nga taas. So makita ninyo sa huli ni nga vlog no andot kay mga picture dito kay di man na pwede i-mix ang atong mga picture o ang video diri sa akong editor. So pobre pa man ta, so support po mo, subscribe pud mo sa ato ang gihaguan og voice over kay lisod pud mag voice over ba dili ta kabalo. Siyempre, nagsulod din mo dito sa Cloud Forest, dili gud pwede nga dili ka mag-picture ani ilahang entrance kanina ay ilahang 6 floor na 6th floor nga waterfalls kani gyud nga attraction, grabe nindot yung kayo. Pagsulod pa lang nimo diri sa Cloud Forest ma-in love na dayon ka sa ilahang falls. So samot na dito sa ubang attraction no dun sa taas. So daghan kaayo diri, puno kayo siya og mga tanom, puno kayo og mga puno og mga kahoy ba, puno kayo og mga bulak pod, original bulak ni siya. Muulan og miinit dili ka makuan diri, dili ka initan kay ang sulod ani na apoy bugno kay ila man ning gi-aircon. So kani guys, mao ni ang among picture dito sa among tour dito sa Cloud Forest og dito pod sa Flower Dome. So mga silingan, konting kaalaman muna tayo regarding the Gardens by the Bay according sa aking kaibigan na si Wikipedia. The Gardens by the Bay is a nature park spanning of 101 hectares in the central region of Singapore, adjacent to the Marina Reservoir. The park consists of 3 waterfront gardens. The first is the Bay South Garden in Marina South. Second is the Bay East Garden in Marina East, and the Bay Central Garden in the downtown core and Kallang. The largest of the 3 gardens is the Bay South Gardens at 54 hectares, designed by Grant Associates. Its flower dome is the largest glass greenhouse in the world. The Marina Bay Gardens was operated by the National Parks Boards. It has 50 million visitors as of October 2018. So sad to say, hindi kami kasama sa 50 million. So more than 50 million na ni siya kasi 2024 na. So it is open daily and it was being opened last 29 June 2012. That is 11 years ago. Gardens by the Bay was part of the nation plans to transform its garden city to a city of garden, with the aim of raising the quality of life by enhancing greenery and flora in the city. First announced by Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong at Singapore's National Day Rally in 2005. Gardens by the Bay was intended to be Singapore's premier urban outdoor recreation space and national icon. Being a popular tourist attraction in Singapore, the park received 6.4 million visitors in 2014 while topping its 20 millionth visitors mark in November 2015 and over 50 million in 2018. The final construction cost for the project, not including the price of the land but including an access road, drainage works, and soil improvement, was within a 1.35 billion allocated budget. The annual operating cost was expected to be approximately 58 million, of which 28 million was from operation of the conservatory buildings. The project received 1.7 million visitors between June and October 2012, who had free admission the most portion of the park but were required to purchase tickets for entering the conservatories. You can also visit the Marina Bay Gardens through its Mass Rapid Transit or MRT. The nearest MRT station are Gardens by the Bay MRT station on the Thompson East Coastline and the Bayfront MRT station on the Circle and the Downtown lines. Gardens by the Bay is an independent organization responsible for developing and managing one of Asia's foremost garden destination. The garden is led by a multidisciplinary team of professionals who have been involved in greenering of Singapore and had worked alongside international and local experts to develop the garden. It has an in-house team of skilled landscaper, designers, horticulturists, arborists, engineers, plant health experts, garden and storage management experts, as well as plant research and orchid breeding professionals who leverage on an extensive global network of plant resources cultivated during the development days to the continuous curate and growth of the gardens. Guided by its vision to be a world of gardens for all to own, enjoy and cherish, Gardens by the Bay has earned numerous awards and accolades, including the World Building for the Year in 2012, the President's Design Award in Singapore in 2013, the Outstanding Achievement Award by the Team Entertainment Association in 2014, the largest glass greenhouse or flower dome in the Guinness World Record for 2015, and the TripAdvisor Certificate of Excellence in 2016. These achievements are testaments to the ongoing excellence of the gardens and spur the team towards attaining greater success. The largest of the three gardens opened in 2012. With its award-winning cold conservatories and iconic super trees, Bay South has nicely placed Singapore on the international map and is a source of national pride. With Flower Dome, the ever-changing flower displays, including the crowd favorites such as Tulip Mania, Orchid Extravaganza, and the Blossom Beats, bring the beauty and diversity to the plants kingdom to life for all to enjoy. Thank you so much to my friend Wikipedia for this information. Bye-bye!